Hey everybody, it's Paul and I'm here in my workshop with my Loft lie bending machine, and I want to show you how a simple adjustment on this can produce huge results to your game. Stay tuned, you're going to want to see this one for sure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this golf club holder. This is something that I use for gluing putter heads. I'm going to use this so it keeps the club face square, so the bottom edge will stay square 90 degrees to the target while I change the lie angle. So even though the club is tilting, the club face itself, bottom edge, is staying square to the target. I'm going to be able to show you what happens, so stay tuned. So what we can see is that I have got an arrow pointed through the middle of the club face, pointing dead straight, and I've glued a T onto the face that points the exact same directions to the arrow. And now I'm going to add about 2 degrees upright to the club, and you will see how the T now starts to point to the left. So that would be about a 2-degree change. Now if we add another 2 degrees, and we're at about 4, you can see how much left the club face is pointing to the target, even though the leading edge has stayed perfectly square perpendicular. Now we'll just add it back again and show you that the T comes back to point straight at the target as the lie angle becomes standard. So to put these in perspective, here's a chart from the Titleist Fitting website, and this is using a 7-iron to produce a 155-yard shot. So this would be a robotic results-based test. And you can see that a perfectly straight swing with a perfectly square club face will produce a shot that flies 10 feet offline for every degree of lie angle that is incorrect at impact. So this is fairly significant because if you're 3-4 degrees off on your lie angle, you could be 30-40 feet off while producing a good swing. So it's really hard to correct that, because how you would correct that is take your good swing and add some faults into it to offset. And now you've got a whole litany of problems. Well, thanks for watching. I hope that this helped you understand a little bit more about lie angles and maybe explain some of the problems that you're undergoing and seeing some of the results that you can't understand why you're seeing. So if you would like to have your angles tested and or adjusted, give me a shout. We can arrange to get you back in playing better golf than ever before. Thanks again.